Let's begin by coming into the standing position with the feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward, and a gentle bend in the knees. 3 big breaths to let go of tension as we inhale through the nose all the way down to the belly, expanding, then opening the mouth and sighing out the exhalation. Again, full belly inhale, fill the whole body. And as you exhale, let go of all the tension. One more time, big breath in, and exhale, let it all go. Now, we start with that gentle bouncing, and this helps to release tension. So the knees are bent, arms are relaxed, and just shake. You want to shake it out. You're massaging the internal organs, the connective tissue, the joints. And let's shake out those hands to release the wrists from maybe sitting at the computer typing. This is a great way to let it go. And as we're doing this, of course, stay with that big inhalation through the nose down to the belly and exhale through the mouth. Let go of any tension. It's an extremely effective way to get the blood moving, to feel that awakening effect of the blood pumping. And with that deep breathing, you're letting go of tension with each exhalation. Shake it out to the sides. And even up overhead. Stay with that breath. Keep going. Now, as we inhale the hands up to the face, through the mouth, exhale down. Let it go. Again. Last time. Good. And gently slow down. Come back to stillness and take that deep, relaxing breath. Let go of any tension in the body. And we move right into the spinal twist. So keep that gentle bend in the knees as we look behind on each side to lead the twist with the head. Arms are completely relaxed here. And remember that deep, relaxing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. This is a great purging breath because each exhalation through the mouth releases toxins and stress. So when we do this twist, we're massaging the entire spine, and this is the health of the nervous system and the brain. You're realigning your vertebra, and you're helping to release tension from the back. So this is a great one to do anytime. Even if you don't have a video guiding you, you can stand up if you've been sitting for a while and do this for about a minute, and you'll feel better quickly. And remember to do that deep breathing the whole time, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Good. Now, gently come back to the center, unwind. And we always take that big relaxing breath at the end to let go of any tension. Inhale through the nose, fill the belly, chest, and exhale through the mouth. Very good. Now let's keep going with a little bit of tapping on the chest. So I'm not going to hit because I don't want to annoy the sound for you, but you're gently tapping all over your chest as you take that deep breath in through the nose, then exhale through the mouth. And this helps to awaken, get that energy flowing. And you're tapping especially right here in the center over that sternum and just under the collarbones. This is going to help with your immune system because you have the thymus gland right here behind the sternum. So this tapping is a great way to get more energy flowing through your entire body. Open your lungs and keep that heart pumping strong. A few more times. Remember that deep breathing always, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Bring that gentle smile to the face. It always sends a message to the brain that you're safe, you can relax. Good. Now let's relax those arms to the sides and take one more deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now we want to continue to open that spine and breathe deep. So let's bring these hands up into gentle fists and we'll do spinal breathing. As you inhale, lift the chest and chin, pull the elbows and shoulders back, arch the spine. And as we exhale through the mouth, bring the elbows together, round the back, and bring the elbows towards the navel, chin to the chest. Inhale, rise up. Lift that chest and chin, elbows and shoulders back, open the chest. And as you exhale, bring those elbows together towards the navel, really round the back, chin to the chest. And we'll do a few more rounds here, inhaling up and back. And exhale through the mouth, elbows towards the navel, really round the spine here, open the back. Now let's take a big breath in here and hold it here. Exhale, pull those elbows back a little bit deeper, feel that stretch in the chest and shoulders. Another big inhale. Exhale here. Now take an inhale. And we'll exhale back down, rounding the spine, elbows towards the navel, chin on the chest, and take a few deep breaths here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You can even bounce a little bit. This helps to release tension. Take another big breath in when you're ready. Exhale through the mouth. And another one. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, release. Pull those shoulders and elbows back a little bit further. No need to create tension. Just keep breathing. One more time. Open that chest. And last one. Inhale. And as we exhale, bending forward, elbows to the navel, chin to the chest, and take a few deep breaths here. If you like, you can get that bounce going. Good. One more time. Now as you inhale, rise up, arms up overhead, reach to the sky, spine long. And as we exhale through the mouth, arms to the sides and down. Now let's take that deep, relaxing breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Excellent. Now we're going to move into what's called alternate nostril breathing. This helps to balance the two hemispheres of the brain and harmonize the brain waves. So let's raise that right hand and take those first two fingers, the peace fingers, into the palm. We're going to try right now. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Then we'll take that thumb off and close the left nostril with the small fingers here, either one or both. Now I'll guide us through. Let's begin with the ventilating breath, clearing those lungs. Now close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through the left nostril, fill the belly, chest, then all the way up to the top of the head. Now change, close the left nostril with the small fingers and exhale through the right side, the right nostril, all the way to the end of the breath. Now same side when you're ready. Inhale through that right nostril, fill the belly, chest, top of the head. After inhale, change, close the right nostril with the thumb and exhale through the left side, nice and slow to the end of the breath. Same side, inhale through the left, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. After inhale, change, close the left side with the small fingers and exhale through the right. Good, we'll do a few more rounds here. Same side, inhale through the right nostril, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. Then close that right nostril and exhale through the left side. All the way to the end of the breath, gently finish the breath. Same side, inhale through the left nostril, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. And after inhale, change sides, close the left nostril with the small fingers and exhale through the right, nice and slow. Same side when you're ready. Inhale through the right nostril, fill the belly, chest, top of the head. Then change sides, close the right nostril, exhale through the left. Good. Now let's relax the arms to the sides and take that deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now let's finish with a little meditation to calm the mind and heart. Bring the hands over the heart center, and we can close the eyes or you can keep them open if you like, but once you get into the meditation, it's a good idea to close them. So first thing we do is start breathing deep, and imagine you're breathing into that heart center in the middle of the chest. As you inhale, that space opens and expands, and as you exhale, send that breath right out through the center of the chest, releasing tension, releasing any stuck emotions that you don't want to hold on to. So a couple more times, big inhale, fill the heart center in the middle, and as you exhale through the mouth, and exhale like you're exhaling through the center of the chest. A couple more times. Now as you're breathing deep, let's close the eyes. Become aware of something you're grateful for in your life. Gratitude helps us come back to this sense of calmness and experiencing peace in the heart when we are grateful. So you can visualize something or feel something that you're very grateful for as you continue to breathe through the center of the chest. You're bringing your mind and heart into a coherent state. You can bring that gentle smile to the face as you breathe deep. And that smile sends the message to the brain that you're safe and can relax. A couple more nice deep breaths here. Each time we exhale, letting go. And each time we inhale, feel that energy, that openness in the center of the chest. So much to be grateful for. If we can stand up and do this practice, then we already have a lot to be grateful for. Now let's relax the arms at the sides and take one more deep, relaxing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. You can open the eyes. Now you're ready for the rest of the day.